6:47, a bright sunrise to start off your Wednesday morning. Temperature-wise, we're starting off quite cold.
Oh,
John's over here trying to shield his eyes as
sunglasses.
No, it was the glare from the
That's pretty.
too much. Anyway, that's going to warm us
gorgeous,
up. Yeah, it's
yes.
going to warm us up pretty nicely today, and then we're going to cool off again, and then it's going to warm up again, and then it's going to cool off again.
Cool down again. If you like roller coaster temperatures, buckle up.
We got
plenty of them.
Yeah, we do. It starts today. We're warmer than yesterday, about 7 or 8 degrees warmer than yesterday, and then we'll be another 10 degrees warmer tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is going to see increasing clouds, also a breezy south wind, which is why tomorrow is going to be in the middle and upper 60s with a few spots maybe getting to 70 degrees. But then on Friday, our next cold front will be moving in, and that 61 might be a little misleading because we might be at 61 degrees at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then by 12 o'clock noon, it could be well into the 50s with wind chills in the 40s.
Right, and then things dip down further into the 50s over the weekend, rebound early next week, and the overnight lows have their ups and downs as well.
Yeah, so tonight is going to be, I would say, considerably warmer than what we get this morning. You're still going to want an extra layer at the very least, maybe even a winter jacket with lows near 40 degrees. But Friday morning, again, temperatures kind of all over the place, 55 degrees first thing in the morning, and then we're looking at some chilly mornings with at or just below seasonal averages through about Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, the question marks really come into play for the second half of next week.
Right, we keep adjusting our thinking on the middle and early part of next week. We're thinking a little warmer now for Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, it could be considerably cooler, and I don't know if you can read this as well from where you are, but that's February 9th through February 13th, so that's 6 days out and beyond. And this is a map that kind of shows the possibility of things being colder than average.
Yeah, the one thing that we do know is that there is going to be a surge of Arctic air that does make its way into the central and in the eastern half of the country. The question is, how far south is that cold air going to get, and how quickly is it going to do it? We still have some question marks, and when you're talking about a situation like this, forecast models, they do not have an easy time with this. So that's why you're probably going to see a lot of fluctuations here within the next 7 days. But overall, the trend does look to be cooler rather than a warmer trend.
Right. It's more or less a little breakout of the, and Bill will like this, polar vortex.
You got to say it with a deep voice when you talk
polar vortex. All right. So anyway, so that's going to cool us down considerably sometime middle of next week. Be watching for that, and we'll have more on it as we get a little bit closer to it. Let's see what's out there for you this morning, though. And really, it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful this morning. Battleship Park, the Alpha Camera Network, looking over the stern of the USS Alabama with blue sky above and the sun peeking over the horizon. We can just look at this for the next 2 minutes and skip the rest of the forecast. No, we got things to do here. How about Atmore, Wind Creek Casino and Hotel, another beauty as we look out over Escambia County, Alabama. And as far as the winds, they are light. Unless you're right at the beach, chances are your winds are almost calm. So wind chill is not an issue this morning. What you have is a bracing cold. Make no mistake, it's cold and you still need to bundle up for it. You got temperatures in the 20s at a lot of locations now. Leakesville, Calvert, Bruton, Crestview, all in the 20s. Mobile, Fairhope, Bay Minette at or below freezing this morning. And the hour after sunrise is typically the coldest of the day, so we're in that hour right now. Over the next hour or so, you'll have your chilliest temperatures. But a quick warm-up, once the sun gets a little angle on it, it'll start zooming up into the upper 50s, even around 60 degrees. Absolutely nothing on the radar, and nothing is expected. A 0% rain chance today. And then you get those ups and downs in temperature. As far as rain, it looks like Thursday night into Friday morning, and then again Saturday night into Sunday morning.
Now, your first